welcome back to Sailing UV, the greatest sailing show on earth. In this week's episode, we make something neat. We take Violet out for a little run, let her get some energy out. We get to fixing some lighting issues in the galley. It really stemmed from the pilothouse windows leaking, so we also get into we get started on rebedding the pilothouse windows, which has really needed done. More on that in the future here. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share and all that stuff if you're enjoying the videos. If you're really enjoying them, you can always join the crew over on patreon.com. There's incentives to being a member over there, and it's all explained over there. It's free to check it out. So yeah, anyways, don't forget to subscribe here, and thanks so much for being here and watching. Let's get to it. I just got done making dinner. Figured I'd, show it. I don't know. There it is. I'm about to eat it. I'm starving. It is, where are we at, guys? It's Friday, the 26th of December. And, just chilling here in the boat with Violet. She wants some of whatever I'm making. Watching YouTube, obviously. We were editing videos and my eyes felt like they were bugging out of my damn head, so I had to stop and make some food. I could do physical stuff all day, every day, but man, that editing and reading and learning and but love to cook, love to bake. Can't wait to be out there in open water, pulling some fish in, making that. Violet's gonna love that. She loves fish. She loves seafood. So, anyways, we're gonna eat our food. I'll talk to you guys soon. Huh? What are you doing, good girl? That could suck. Violet, you just eating grass? That's all you're trying to do? Still just back there eating grass. I like this being fenced off, where no one can get back here except for from one way. Boy, does that stink. Man, it's stinky here. That's the homemade net. Come on, sweet girl. Violet. She's coming at her own pace. I walk slow enough. Leave the birds alone. She's eating grass. Her tummy's upset. It was a stormy couple of days. What'd you do? What'd you do? You being a good girl? Hey, I just wanted to relax and edit. I just wanted to got my computer all set up there. We're ready to go. And of course, these lights start flickering. And I discovered Oh, not that one. One of them has some water. You can tell it got wet. This one is rusty. So, I tried disconnecting that. There's like two circuits. There's this one and that one. So, whoa guys, easy. So I tried disconnecting the one and yeah, nothing. So I don't know. I'm going to, or I've already started digging into it, so let's go. So it's that box. Hey, here, this box. So let's try and work this. So this side. Right. Now, we'll put this. Wait, again. No fetch. This is set up for the dimmers. Like, watch it. I keep on. Write this down. No fetch. Right. No, I don't this. So we do box. So this. Oh, look at that. Wait, so we got it. Right, so the box. Whatever. Alright guys, you ready first? Oh, something's in there. Right. Ow. I can see this. Hey, that'll be it. Oh, now look, fire. Let's see. Powered? Oh, wrong button. Power. Oh, you've seen it here, you heard it here, it was all done here first. No, we changed the stupid little box. But we are going to add, I'm going to try to add a couple lights here. And maybe right here. Of course, I got this 120. We can figure out what shuts that off, and then I've got two really nice 120s. Let's do that. We're gonna have to finish this up. You guys see this cool cutting board my daughter got me? Looks like a big cleaver. If you can read it. Anyways, that sidetrack there. We're gonna have to finish this wiring up tomorrow. My wiring tools are all in the van, and the van is about 18-minute walk, and it's raining, so I'm not going. I'll go tomorrow during the day, or maybe tonight. I don't know. Regardless, that's gotta wait. You're gonna have to wait till tomorrow because it's important to me that I get this editing done today, and I had to get these guys working because I had no light in here except for this little BS light, which I've got lights to switch that out with too. New LEDs. One will go here, one will go here, and it'll light the sink and the stove really well. And I'm also going to throw a couple of these goofy puck lights if I can add a research and see how many I can add to one string, because right now we have 9 running off of that box. I don't think we can really add any more safely. I don't know. I'm gonna look it up. I found the part number on there and the part number on the lights, and between that information I should be able to figure it out if I'm not a total idiot. And if I can add some, I'd like to add a couple just to illuminate under there. I have those rope lights, but man, those rope lights are stupid, and I don't know. Whatever. I think a few puck lights, 2 under there, and maybe 4 more under there, 3 more under there. Yeah, like 1, 2, 3. And they're all in that dimmer, which we discussed is a key fob. Ridiculous to me. I screwed that shit to the wall. So yeah, I got wires looking haphazardous or whatever, and my clean galley is in disarray, but tomorrow. Well, I went to the shop and got 4,000 sealant. You don't want to use 4,200 anywhere that the sun's going to see it, because it'll yellow. And plus, I want this to be temporary. I'm trying to seal these windows up, because you know we're replacing these windows with one huge sheet of Lexan, and it's going to look like one big window from the outside. It's gonna look sweet, but the reality of where I'm at right now, got a bucket sitting here on the couch catching water dripping from the damn window. I got the 4,000. I haven't had a dry day since to put it on. The one dry day we had, I walked over to the shop, got the sealant, hung out with the guys for a little bit. They were there cleaning some fish, came back, and it's been raining ever since. So that's where we're at. Just chilling in the boat. It's January 2nd or 3rd or something. It's the 2nd of January 2026, and we're sitting here listening to a bucket fill with water. It's not that bad of a leak. It's not raining that hard, but the way the wind's blowing is bringing it in through the cracks. So that's where we're at, guys. Violet's right here behind me, if you can see her, all tucked in, being a big baby. About to take her for a walk and get back to editing. Just wanted to chime in and show you guys my shame, my couch bucket. Later.
We got further than anybody thought we would. We'll get them next time.
You take it easy. I'm not in this to finish second. I think Champ is just saying that I know what he was trying to say, Brian, okay? And it doesn't surprise me that you guys don't care. Let's face
Who's awake?
I'm the one who gets the ratings.
Windy out there. We got our blanket up for some
Except for the scary ones.
Shut up, Rick!
lazy
Just shut up for once!
lazy Saturday morning watching Anchorman 2.
You're damn right.
Chill with baby B. What are you gonna do? I needed this. So
Smoking crack.
that's my good girl. That's my lazy buddy, huh?
That's a lie.
Got to make sure to chime in here and let everyone know that we use a lot of blue tape at work, a lot of blue tape. And I want to know that anybody at the shop watching know that this is my personal blue tape. I would never steal shop supplies. I have so much blue tape, and I was worried about that with these videos. Like, they're gonna see this, my blue tape everywhere, and my blue tape picture frame. They think I'm stealing blue tape from the shop. They would never. They know I'm not underhanded like that, but seriously, that's my own tape. In true me fashion, I pulled the window out of the boat and started doing this crap before I got the camera out. Come on, let's go. What you doing? Being a good girl? Well, that's those two done and that one done. They were the worst leakers. Obviously that one's leaking. This one's leaking pretty good, and that one is leaking just a little. So, but the weather guys lied to me. Freaking rain. You guys see it? It's raining, so I gotta stop this and move to something else for now. I don't know. So everything's outside that I want to do right now. But I can sit in here and edit and try to get caught up in my videos, so that's what I'm gonna do. Talk to you guys later.
5 miles to Fort Dodge and 5 miles back. Figuring the time you were gone, you just got
It was a mean Saturday night for Violet and I, guys. In here making an egg sandwich and hanging out with Violet, watching Gunsmoke, and we were editing. We just had to take a break from editing, so I'm starving. It's like 11 o'clock on the 3rd or 4th day of 2006. So anyways, I don't want to burn my food. Just hopping on, checking in. Talk to you guys soon. What's up, guys? Look at this good girl. Look at that good baby. You already know. I went out there when it quit raining, started pumping out the boat, which takes a good hour and a half for some reason. The pump sit up here is BS, but it works, it gets it done. It just, man, sometimes it takes me 2 hours. Today it took an hour and a half. As soon as I start pumping out, pouring rain. It's poured on me the whole time. I'm soaked to the core. And as soon as I come back in, and I started filling the water tank, but I came back in and look at this dickhead. Look at him. No rain, sun's shining. Would have been nice while I was out there sitting on the deck holding that stupid pump out nozzle in the deck. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Come on. Know what makes it all better? This. Huh.
Because you're such a sweet baby.
She hates the camera. What are you gonna do? If you guys are having a good weekend, it's Sunday, like the first Sunday in January, whatever day that is. I'm out of calendar. No more calendar. I need a new calendar, guys. Send me a good one. Yeah. I think that's about it. I'll talk to you guys later. Well, I thought I'd wrap up another video with Violet and I heading back to the marina after work here. Thanks so much for being here and watching. Your guys' support means everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment and share and all that good stuff, but definitely subscribe. We need to get our subscribers up. If you're really enjoying the content, you can always join the crew over on patreon.com. There's incentives to being a member over there. It's all explained over there. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and it's free if you want to go check it out and see what you think. I had something else for this. You know me. I lost it. I didn't write it down. But yeah, we're going to get back to the boat here and edit more videos. Thanks again so much for being here and watching. We will see you next week. In case some of you are wondering, I had someone ask before, and I mentioned it in a comment, but this tender is a Polycraft Tuffy 300 with a Suzuki 20 horse on it. It's rated for 15 horse, but the 15 and 20 both weigh exactly the same, so you know we're getting the 20. But yeah, it's a wet ride. It's a great tender. It's like 200 pounds without the engine. And the engine weighs 97, so you know it's a little heavy on the davits with the engine. I don't like it, and it's a great tender. It is super stable. You can stand anywhere on it, and it's just like a platform. But again, it's a super wet ride. So I don't know. My hopes and dreams are an OC tender, but that's way in the future, and we're gonna ride this thing till we wear it into nothing, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, there's that. Talk to you guys later. Yeah, have a good one.